The topic for this third video is order and chaos. See the description below for more information. I'll start off by saying there can be no chaos without order. Say I took a chessboard with all the pieces on it and I threw it up in the air. When it landed, it would all be in chaos, where chaos is a random jumble of things. We'll talk about randomness in a few moments. But in that chaos of the scattered chessboard, there are orderly things, like the board and the different pieces. The orderly things are arranged in a chaotic fashion, giving the appearance of chaos. So chaos cannot exist without order, and the two are opposites that were simultaneously created. They were created from the one, which is whole, complete, and totally orderly. Order was most like the one, and chaos was less like it. And the further chaos drifts from order, the less like it becomes. But don't forget, however far removed, chaos still contains order. So what about order without chaos? Is that possible? Well, in the visible, perceivable world, no. Nothing in the world can be totally orderly. And in fact, a balance of order and chaos in the world isn't a bad thing. I've said that order is most like the one. So yes, the one is complete order. But really, there is nothing in the one to be orderly. So it's like a supreme orderliness. The highest orderliness that we could see is something close to a unity, but not quite. Or else it couldn't be perceived. Let's get back to the upturned chessboard and say a little about randomness and chance. Although the world may appear chaotic and the elements scattered by chance, there are laws throughout the universe that determine when, where, and how everything is. There are many complex interactions and forces that determine when, where, and how the chessboard pieces land. So randomness and chance doesn't really stand up to scrutiny.